I'm looking forward to a brighter future. I'm moving ahead. I never stop for nothing. I'm looking forward to a brighter future. I'm moving ahead. I never stop for nothing. For this world where we live, people go come inside you like.
To learn how to make this mouth-watering, authentic African-style pot-roasted crab, keep watching. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need to prepare this dish. This is one of my favorite food. I love having when I go back home, and I just wanted to use this opportunity to just do a video while my auntie was doing it, to show you as well and share with you how it's done. So you start with the peanut butter, which is then poured into the pot. You're going to need the amount of peanut butter depends on the amount of crabs, and the best crabs to use are like the baby ones that are really soft to like chew, because that's the whole point, and then you'll be able to enjoy it. So it's also important to make sure that the peanut butter boils really well, because if it's not done well, it may lead to food poisoning sometimes. So please make sure the peanut butter cooks really well. While your peanut butter mixture cooks, you're going to blend onion, garlic, ginger and scotch bonnet pepper. You're going to blend all of it and then add it into the mixture, and so it can boil. Also make sure you add some water so the mixture is not too thick, which will allow the peanut butter to boil. Now you're going to add the oil and let all of it boil. Just make sure you don't also put too much oil, because then that won't be good. So now we're going to add the stock cubes, add it, and then along with the tomato puree, and let that cook. Also make sure you add some water to give the crab time to boil well. So make sure you have enough water. Now you're gonna add the crabs, and then you just leave everything, mix it up and let it cook. Just let the crab cook, and as it cooks you'll see that it's gonna get thicker and thicker. Let it cook really well until it dries up and like fries itself, and then you will be done, and that's it, and you're ready to eat. And voila, this is the finished product. Can you just see how tasty that looks? Can't wait to learn how to prepare this refreshing iced mango smoothie. Keep watching. This is a bonus tutorial just for you.
So I know we're all stuck at home and cannot get our smoothies and everything, so this is how you make your own. I've already done this for the kids, but I'm gonna do one for the adults. So here, this is what I use. That's the mango puree. See, mango puree. You can get this from any like Asda, Tesco's, or any food retailers, or just check for it. So that, and okay, ice, just ice. This is what the puree looks like. That's it. So that one is for the kids. So to make it for the adults and a bit more spicy, I'm gonna add a bit of rain. So depending on how much, don't say it's meal, not that much, just too spicy. But hey, do it to your taste. And then unfortunately my blender cover I cannot find right now. So we're going to have to do that because I don't want it going everywhere. I was going to bust the cover. just taste and see. Can you just so everything. Cheers. Tasty.
We're getting high on mango.
All you see is mango smoothie. This is iced refreshing adult mango smoothie. You can use any other type. You can use vodka or that, but I already had this, so I was like, yeah, just add a bit in it and make it a bit spicy. So try it out. Try it out. All you need is ice, mango puree. And if you want to make a bit more adult, then you can add that. The first one I made was for the kids without. But now, spice it up. This is what they sell in all these posh cafes. You can do it from home. Cheers, and I hope you're staying safe, staying home, and yeah, having fun. Try it anyway.